Today, several sites are developed based on ideas and assumptions, but now we don't need to speculate anymore. Go for Notify Visitors, and instead of guessing what drives users, it would be best if you understand which parts of your site they love, where they click, tap, and move, how far they scroll, and what they ignore. By playing session recording videos for your visitors, it's as if you see the screen over their shoulder so you can understand what they like and what turns them off from your site. But it doesn't end there. You can ask for feedback directly from your visitors through smart nudges. Ultimately, this implies you can optimize your website's user experience, prioritizing content that demands attention to increase conversion rates and to reduce drop-offs. Overall, Notify Visitors consists of features that give you reliable proof about your visitors' behavior. So wave goodbye to traditional guesswork. Notify Visitors is an all-in-one analytics and assessment software for your visitors' behavior.
If you're looking for information on the Notify Visitors Lifetime Deal and Notify Visitors Review, you've come to the right place. The Notify Visitors Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Notify Visitors Lifetime Deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Notify Visitors Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. It's never smart to put all your eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to marketing. Truth is, you need to leverage multi-channel customer communication, otherwise, you're missing out on the kind of relationships that pay off. What if one simple tool could let you build, run, and optimize multi-channel outreach to effectively engage users and keep them coming back for more? Run multi-channel customer outreach across email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Segment customers based on user behavior and send flows like welcome emails, cart abandonment, and post-purchase recs. Launch customer outreach campaigns across email, SMS, and WhatsApp while monitoring engagement in real time. Notify Visitors is a multi-channel marketing automation tool that helps you build flows that include email, SMS, WhatsApp messages, and more. Send personalized messages to your customers via email, SMS, and WhatsApp to keep them engaged and drive repeat purchases. With Notify Visitors, you can create customer segments based on attributes like user behavior and location for more effective targeting. You'll also get actionable insights from every segment so you can understand what's working and what needs to be tweaked. You can run automated, multi-channel campaigns that turn communication into conversions without breaking a sweat. When you create segments based on website activity, you'll be able to guide customers through your funnel with relevant messages. For example, you can nudge customers to purchase abandoned items in their cart, send welcome messages to site visitors, and offer discounts. Best of all, you can build the entire campaign without any code, thanks to all the drag and drop tools at your disposal. Use customizable templates for content and a drag and drop visual journey builder to create workflows. No matter your technical background, it's easy to build and adapt multi-channel customer journeys based on specific conversion goals. Notify Visitors lets you go from campaign concept to deployment in minutes across multiple channels and devices. Grow your contact list with tools that help you gamify emails, build dedicated landing pages, and create your own lead forms. You'll be able to test campaigns and monitor their performance in real time using advanced reports and click maps. Thanks to Notify Visitors, you'll get to track engagement from specific users and segments to see what's driving the best results. It's super important to send the right message to the right people at the right moment. That's why Notify Visitors makes it simple to personalize customer journeys and engage with your target segments via email, SMS, and WhatsApp. Make every message count. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Notify Visitors today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.